In this video, we're going to be creating equations, and the examples that we're going to be looking at is finding the area of a shape. And our shape is a rectangular flower garden. The length of the garden is 5 feet more than the width. So if this is the length and this is the width, the length, we say the width is x, the length is x plus 5. We need to write an equation that models the area. Well, how do you find, how do we find the area of a rectangle? Well, area is going to be length times width, or width times length. We're saying that the width is x and that the length is x plus 5. So the area is going to be, if we distribute the x, it's going to be x squared plus 5x. With x being the width. Now, part B says if the area of the garden is 104 square feet, we have to find the dimensions. When they want the dimensions, they want the length and the width. So the area is 104, so we're going to set this equal to 104. And in order to solve this, we have to make sure that we have 0 on one side of the equation. So we're going to subtract 104. 0 equals x squared plus 5x minus 104. And we're going to use the quadratic formula in order to solve this. So we need to identify a, b, and c. A is 1, b is 5, and c is negative 104. If we use the discriminant, b squared is 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 104, we get 441. And I had it right here. Give me 1 second. Here's my quadratic formula. So it's going to be negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, which is the discriminant, over 2a. So x is going to equal opposite of b, so a negative 5, plus or minus the square root of 441 over 2 times a, so 2 times 1. And my x is going to be 8 and negative 13. Well, negative 13 for a width doesn't make much sense, because a width can never be negative. So x equals 8, and the width is 8, and the length is 8 plus 5, which is at 13. And if we put units on this, it would be feet.